See you later. Bye. Happy New Year's. See you next year. And Christmas. And have some cheese balls. Have a very nice Christmas. Hope you've been good this year. And a Merry Christmas to you all. And cheese balls. And why don't you even get some more toys?
Someone fix that snowman.
Maybe a real quick chat to what you want for Christmas. Someone fix it.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you next year.
Me.
Okay, I'm going to be there now.
Bye.
Bye. See you next year. No, it did. When someone fix that snowman.
No, seriously, bye.
Seriously, go away. Come on, see you next year. Come on. We're done. Come on. See you next.
Cut the scene.
Cut. Come on. Cut the thing. Okay, we're done already.
I guess I need to diswire the TV.
I guess I'm gonna have to pull the wire.